All right, here's the owner's manual for the Toyota Corolla Hybrid. And here's the specific instructions that tell you to put the front tires on the back and the back tires on the front on the same side. So I'll just start with taking off the hubcaps with a flathead screwdriver. I don't want this to be a super long video, so I'll be fast forwarding certain parts, like taking off the lug nuts, because your time is valuable and so is mine. I'm using 2 jacks today because I do not have jack stands here with me, but using jack stands is the safest way to rotate your tires because a jack could potentially fail. Alright, now this entire side is jacked up, so I can take the wheels off. The lug nuts take a 21mm socket. I'll put this wheel underneath the car, just in case there's a problem with one of the jacks. The wheel will act as a support for the car. So now this front wheel I'll take off and move to the rear. And if you want to see how you should jack this car up from the middle and place jack stands on the pinch weld, there's a link to a short video in the description below. And notice right here, I do have the wheels on the other side chalked off, so don't forget to do that when you are jacking your car up. Alright, now I can take this wheel and put it on the front. And I'll just start the lug nuts by hand. And I never tightened the lug nuts on this back wheel, so I'll tighten them now. Okay, the lug nuts have been tightened, so I can now drop the car. Now I'll torque the lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. And remember to always torque them in a star pattern so the wheel sits flush against the hub. And do the same thing to the other side, and that's it.